I'm Wes Schilling, and I'm here with Yan Campbell and Snow. I try to call her Shui, but she's Snow, right?
Yes.
And we are members of the Muscle Foods Sensory Chemistry Lab, and we are also the Awesome Lab. And today, we're going to do an experiment for you because we're going to start doing experiments and loading them up about once a week to our social media sites. But the first thing we want to do is tell you a little bit about who we are. We're a group of faculty members, graduate students and undergrads who are food scientists. We're passionate about food. We do research, we do consumer sensory tests, and we just like being part of a community. And now I'm going to tell you what the definition of food science is, because we love food science, we want everybody else to. And food science is all the science that takes the food from the farmer's gate to the customer's table. So it's got biology, chemistry, engineering, there's business involved, a lot of different things like that. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to tell you about a student that's graduated from our lab, because we want you to know about different jobs that you can get in food science. So we have a student that we love named Saxon. Is that right, Lillian?
Saxon Perez.
Yeah, Saxon Perez. She went to work at Lopez Foods, and she does product development, where she develops products for restaurants. So they have a spec of what they want, a specification, let her know what it is, and she develops that product. And she uses what she learned here at Mississippi State University to do that. Now, Yan, are you ready for our experiment?
I'm so ready.
Snow, are you ready for our
I'm
experiment?
ready.
Okay. So, where do we live, Yan?
Starkville, Mississippi, in the south.
Does it snow in Starkville, Yan?
No.
Okay. Do we want it to snow in Starkville?
Oh yeah, we do.
Okay. So today we're going to demonstrate food chemistry principles by actually making fake snow. So here, this is really just a plastic that's used to make fake snow. You can see it's just white powder. But it functions very much like a starch or a carrageenan, some sort of polysaccharide that are in foods that can bind a lot of water. And starch functions, and it holds water in by swelling, but also by hydrogen bonding. So now, are you ready to demonstrate that, Yan? Should I pour, or do you want to pour?
You pour?
Okay, Yan is going to pour.
You want to stir?
I'm going to stir. No, Snow is going to stir. And I'm going to sit here while they work. Ooh, look at that. That is awesome. Do we need more water? Is that pretty good?
I think we probably need a little more.
A little more. Okay. Let's put some more water in there. So what are you going to do with this fake snow, Yan? Are you going to take it home?
Snowballs.
Snowballs? Who are you going to throw them at?
You never know.
I-
It's a secret weapon.
Secret weapon if somebody stands against you and messes with you. Alright. Okay, awesome. We got some down on the bottom too. Is it getting cold? Okay. It's a little bit of an endothermic reaction going on there. Look at all that snow you made, Yan. You are awesome. So that was functioning very much like starch would in a food. And it soaked up all that water, which is hydrogen bonding. And the hydrogen bond between water and another molecule is generally 25 kilojoules per mole. And so now we're going to show what happens if you actually add salt to it. So we're going to take some of this snow, and I'm going to make a mess, but I'm good at that right here. Just a little mess. All right, and now we are going to take, what's our secret weapon?
Salt.
Okay. All right, so salt has a sodium ion and a chloride ion. So we're going to go ahead and pour that on because it's fun. And because when sodium chloride interacts with water, there's a 600 kilojoule reaction between the ion in the water molecule. So the water has more affinity for salt than it does for the plastic that we had, but also for something like starch. So that's one of the reasons that salt functions so well in food and has a strong interaction with water. Cool. Anything to add, Yan? Did you have fun on today's experiment?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Snow? Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right, we are going to be back next week. Well, actually, Christmas is next week. So in about 3 weeks, we will be back with our second experiment on fun stuff with food science. Thank you for joining us today, and have a Merry Christmas.